guys, तो आज हम हो चुके हैं ready and it's a Friday, so हमारे पास बहुत time है and almost done with work. So now we're making a cake for Siraj and for me because we really want to have a cup of coffee and enjoy our banana loaf cake. Siraj, what are you making today?
Banana bread.
And what are you doing right now?
Licensing reimagined.
The mixture is the mixture of the bananas. There's still one banana still have to mash.
Good job. Now, can you add some milk, please, Siraj?
Okay.
Good job.
Oh, there's still what you want.
Yeah. What are you adding?
Butter.
Very good. Okay.
Everybody want to see how it looks like?
Yeah. Now, can you add the last flour spoon?
Yeah. The bantu.
Nicely.
Honey.
Yeah. Good job.
Can we after this more?
Yeah. Put more. Put a more.
Music licensing reimagined.
No,
Yeah.
this is not all of them. There's still one more.
And then we kept it to bake at 355 Fahrenheit for 40 minutes and the cake was ready. Banana bread. You excited? The banana bread is beautiful. You wanna try it, Siraj?
Yeah, I'll have what's it.
It's so good, Siraj. I love that it's not sugary at all. It's having such a yummy taste.
What about this one?
Yum. Yummy.
Try some. Yummy, yummy. Try some.
And now with my coffee, I'm gonna sit and discuss 5 things that I learned in 2024. So the first point would be no comparisons. 2024 में I did see myself comparing with people. I don't know why because I have never done that in the past. I feel और अगर किया भी है तो I don't remember. या मतलब इतना कोई deep impact नहीं था. So I think that is something that let me down and I am glad that I found this and I'm working on it and I'm so proud because now whenever I get this thought I'm like cancel the secret and I don't think about thoughts like this because you are your best competitor and you should just be better than what you were yesterday and I think I'm on the right track. I'm really proud of myself to be honest.
Reimagined.
So that's the first learning that I got from 2024. Second point would be fitness. 2024 May and even in the years before it, I have not given fitness any importance in my life. And now that I'm in almost reaching my mid-30s, it's very important. And it's not just about that. I feel जब तुम कुछ अपनी body के लिए करते हो, you feel, you know, really good about it. And I feel it's so important and I'm still getting there. अभी तो कुछ नहीं है, अभी बस बहुत बड़ी मुश्किल से चार्ज करके 10,000 स्टेप पूरे करने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ. But the aim is to really join a gym or maybe just do something at home that, you know, just dedicating some time for my body because I know if I do that regularly, it will help me overall in my growth and it will also help me to keep my mental health sane, to keep my physical health sane and to be more active and more present at my work with Sehraj and enjoy all the things of life. So this is something जो मैंने बिल्कुल नहीं किया 2024 में, but 2025 में I really have to do it. Third point that last year also I sort of touched upon and I actually did follow it in 2024, but I think हमारी Indian upbringing और just हमारा thought process ऐसा है कि it takes time, but I think I'm still doing a great job of letting go of people who don't matter to me. I mean, even the closest of family, relatives, I feel there are times where you just have to let go of people for your own sanity. And it's not that they are not the right people or they're bad or something or you are bad or something. It's just that not everybody is meant to be in your life. It's best to let go such people. They're not bad, you're not bad. It's just you guys are not good for each other. And noticing such people and being aware of such a pattern and making that change is very important. I have clearly done it in 2024 and I'm going to keep continue doing it in 2025, and I'm so grateful that I know and I have the set of people who support me and who are there with me. Color point is again something that I've actually learned from my sister.
Music licensing.
I don't know if she knows she does this or not, but I think she does this. So Taboo, listen, but I think I'm learning this from you. You're such an amazing girl. I am so proud of you, and I'm even so proud that she's engaged to the best guy in this world. This shit. I really love you guys. Okay, आजकल का दिल ये है. I'm pretty 90s, so I didn't know that, but ta-da. But other than that, guys, it's not about this. It's about that I think I've learned this from my sister, that she fakes it till she makes it. She gives that environment totally जब तक उसको वो मतलब she pretends कि हो गई है, and she starts evolving her life with that, and then she achieves that, and I've seen that. So fake it till you make it, and this is my mantra in 2025, and I'll tell you what I made out
Music
of it
licensing
by December.
reimagined.
So just 11 more months, guys. Ta-da! Drum roll to get 5th point here. To have an abundant mindset. I mean, this is so important. मुझे पता भी नहीं था कि ऐसी कोई चीज़ है और मैं कुछ शायद नहीं कर रही हूँ या कर रही हूँ. I think growing up I was very fortunate. My parents had a very abundant mindset. They never felt कि वो इसको मिल जाएगा तो तुमको नहीं मिलेगा types. But you know, so that really helped. And now growing up with all the awareness and with all the reading and just interacting with so many amazing people, I do realize कि दुनिया में बहुत सारी खुशी है. There's loads and loads of happiness. There's loads and loads of good health. There are amazing people, and there is abundance monetarily, like amazing, crazy
Music
abundance.
licensing
So we
reimagined.
don't have to fight for it. There's enough for everyone. We just have to work for our share. So ये thought process is something that's so important, and I'm so glad I have that. And that's ta-da, the most important thing I feel. So I did make a video New Year 2024 के आसपास about 4 or 5 things that 2023 taught me, and now I'm making 2024 taught me, and I am so happy. Yeah, I have been putting videos on and off. I am so blessed कि मैं कर रही हूँ, because this makes me so happy. जब मैं ये videos जाके देखती हूँ ना, it's an amazing feeling, and I hope आपको भी थोड़ी सी happiness और थोड़ा सा ज्ञान मिल जाए इन videos से. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. So thank you so much. Bye bye.